Hi guys, welcome to the shed. This week I bring you a ray of sunshine on a fresh January day. This week we've got some lovely yellow LA lilies, vibrant good times roses, fabulous Forsythia, fluffy Solidago and the beautiful smelling white Waxflower. Start with your Forsythia in an even triangle around the edge of your vase. Fill the gaps with your Solidago. Fill out the middle with your bushy Waxflower using the other stems for support. Then add your lovely lilies upright in the middle. Finish with your amazing roses which add a fabulous pop of colour. Just wait for those lilies and Forsythia to burst open and it'll, it's hard to say.